Hey everyone, it's Mel. We are back outside, still spring cleaning, but I'm going to switch up the patio a little bit. And if you guys saw my video last year, the Sweet Petunia Vista bubblegums, we planted those on the patio, and actually those brown pots to the right, the right of the screen. This year, I'm going to switch it up a bit. I'm going to use these Superbells that are so beautiful, gorgeous, purple with just a yellow center. Isn't that so pretty? They get up to 12 inches wide. So I'm going to put 2 in each of those pots, flanking either side of the pot, and hopefully we can have them trail down. First, I'm going to put pot lifters because I am leaving marks all over this patio, and the pot lifters help to save your patio, if it's concrete especially, from the marks that your pot will make after you water it. guys, and gals, we are all done. That took us just a few minutes, and we have really beautiful spring into summer flowers ready for us, and it's going to be a showstopper. Really, you just need one in the pot because they do mound and they get 12 inches wide, but I want an exaggeration of a beautiful show, and I want them to trail over the sides of my pots. So I put two. If I find that it's not enough space for them, I can always pop one out and put it in a hanging pot. But for now, I think these are going to do so well. Contrary to what you're seeing now, it's a little bit shady, but this is a full sun area. Give them full sun, feed them once a week, and they will really perform for you. Okay, well, until we are gathered again in the next video, let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, take care. Thanks for hanging out with me.